When you need innovative material solutions, look no further than Professional Plastics. As a leading supplier of plastic sheet, rod, tube, film, and fabricated parts, we have the best selection, pricing, and service to help you achieve your goals. While some companies are either distributors, manufacturers, or fabricators, we do it all. Our knowledgeable team specializes in distribution of raw material, manufacturing and fabrication, assembly, and engineering and design, all while providing the exceptional customer service that is our hallmark. Our worldwide network provides a powerful combination of local expertise and global reach. The 23 facilities are strategically located in the U.S., Singapore, Taiwan, and the Philippines, and include a mix of distribution, fabrication, and value-added sites. Commitment to quality is always a priority at Professional Plastics. All of our distribution and in-house value-added services are executed with the utmost attention to detail and precision to meet strict ISO 9001, ISO 4001, and AS 9100D quality standards. When it comes to sourcing and distribution, our vertical integration is your competitive edge. As an authorized distributor for more than 200 premium brands, we offer the largest globally sourced inventory at the most competitive rates. We have materials for every industry and application, including high-performance plastics, engineering materials, see-through substrates, laminates and composites, adhesives and sealants, fluoropolymers, specialty films, thermoplastics and thermosets, ceramics, and specialty metal alloys. At Professional Plastics, we know customer requirements can be as diverse as our inventory. We work with customers of all sizes in any industry, including aerospace, building and construction, food processing, machine shops and fabricators, material handling, medical, oil and gas, point of purchase and display, sign and graphics, semiconductor, and more. With nearly 2,000 products in stock, backed by our guidance and know-how, you have options for a wide variety of industrial applications like bearing and wear, impact resistance, corrosion resistance, noise abatement, light weighting, fluid handling and hose, gaskets and seals, insulating materials, and static control materials. Depending on your end goal, the experts at Professional Plastics will work with you to develop a solution that fits your needs. It's not just our products and capabilities that set Professional Plastics apart. Our people differentiate us the most. As a family-owned company, our team shares core values of hard work, integrity, and ethics. This drives our entrepreneurial culture that motivates us to do our very best every day. Our team is empowered to take an individualized approach to customer service and strive to exceed expectations. Your success is our success. Make your next customer experience outstanding with Professional Plastics, your global leader for innovative material solutions.